What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to QB slide in Madden NFL 26. If you want to dive or slide with your quarterback, here's how it works. Start by going into options, then settings and scroll down to game controls. This screen shows your controller layout and what each button does. On the right side, you'll see the breakdown for sliding and diving. To slide, just tap X on Xbox or tap square on PlayStation. To dive, you'll hold X on Xbox or hold square on PlayStation. The game also mentions give up, that simply means that players with 75 awareness or lower or certain position players will just fall forward awkwardly instead of performing a clean slide. Quarterbacks or players with 75 awareness or more will do a proper slide. Now once you are back on the field, just run straight with your quarterback. When you are ready to slide, give the button a quick tap, that's X on Xbox or square on PlayStation, just a fast single press and he'll go into the slide animation. If you wanna dive instead, keep moving forward and hold the X or square button instead of tapping it. That will trigger the dive. That's all there is to it. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.